Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today I'm going to introduce you to the TipRanks Top Smart Score Stock Screener. Now you may have heard me refer to a stock's top smart score before, whether it's a neutral or outperform rating. Basically what that is a unique score that measures a stock's potential to outperform the market, and this is based on 8 different key factors. So with the TipRanks Top Smart Score Stock Screener, it allows us to narrow in on stocks that have outperform ratings. So let's take a look. So from our TipRanks homepage here, we go to the top left for our research tools, and you can find the top Smart Score stocks. This is a great tool for searching for new investment ideas, as it only focuses on stocks with a maximum Smart Score of 10, the top outperformed score. Now, keep in mind, right now we're looking at the US market, but you can also look at the top Smart Score stocks for the Canadian and UK market as well. So if you're wondering how reliable the Smart Score is, you can see the performance of stocks with a Smart Score of 10 here on this chart. Since 2011, they have a total return of over 186%, which is more than a 58% alpha over the S&P 500, and they have an average annualized return of about 20% as well. You can also go here to the About Smart Score and Performance. This will answer some questions for you, such as how is the Smart Score created, how often is the Smart Score updated, and how is the Smart Score performance measured. But going back to our top Smart Scores here, it's a really easy way to search for new stocks. You can choose which filters that you wish to apply. So for today, let's look at a market cap of medium. For the sector here, we can just leave it for any sector, but if you want to narrow it down, you can. And I wanted to have a top Smart Score for more than 4 weeks. So this takes our list down to just 12 stocks. You can add more data to the results by clicking on Select Column. You can add in the dividend yield, analyst consensus, and other TipRanks unique data sets. So let's add in the best analyst consensus and best analyst price target. Now we can also order according to price targets of the best performing analysts. If we click this, we'll now see the stocks with the highest upside potential right at the top of the list. As always, you can click on the ticker name to conduct more research and add stocks to your watch list by clicking on the blue plus sign. So it is simple as that. Now it's your turn to have a go. Head over to the TipRanks website and check out the top Smart Score Stock Screener and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.